Hey guys, welcome back to the Wood Metal Workshop. I'm Kent. It's come to my attention that some people don't know the proper way to hook up a new gas cylinder. This time we're going to be hooking up to our 210MP and the SP250, both from Lincoln. You can go back and see how that works in the don't remember the name of that video. Anyways, it's a mashup. Made two carts into one. So take your cap off. Pretty simple. Then crack your cylinder, because bugs and stuff like to get in here, and you don't want that. So good way to get them cleaned out is first do a physical check. Don't look straight in there. Make sure there's nothing there, and just that's all there is to it. There we go. Okay, threaded fully in by hand. Take your wrench. They're machine surfaces that do your sealing. You don't have to go nuts on that. Crack your bottle. Check your gauges. And at this point, if you wanted to, you can go ahead and check for leaks. I'm not overly concerned about it. I make sure the bottle's shut off every time I'm doing welding. And I listened. So I don't hear anything. You might notice, let's see. Yeah, I've got a Y-fit in here. This tank feeds both welders, so I don't need two tanks for the two welders. So now we're ready to weld. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. If you haven't yet, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button, and we'll catch you in the next video.